Hello, in this video, we will learn how to change your username in Messenger. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the Messenger application. Tap on these three lines. Then go to the settings icon. Here, you will see the option for the username. You will see these two options. Tap on Edit Username. Here, you need to enter the new name. As you can see, if the name is not available, it will be displayed in red. I will try to find an available name. I have found an available name. Now, I will save the new username. As you can see, we have successfully changed the username. I hope you liked the video. See you later!